Hello students, I am Abhishek Sharma, PGT Chemistry from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Nabarangpur. Today's topic is effect of temperature on solubility of solid in liquid of the chapter solutions. Now, what is the effect of temperature? The solubility of a solid in liquid is significantly affected by change in temperature. The dissolution of solid in liquid is reversible process and attains an equilibrium. Therefore, we can apply Lee-Chatter's principle for this process. Now consider an equilibrium reaction shown below. Solute plus solvent equilibrium solution. Because it is a dynamic equilibrium, so we can apply Lee-Chatter's principle here. Now, first of all, we will study effect of temperature on solubility of solid in liquid for exothermic reactions. Now, consider the reaction solvent plus solid equilibrium solution plus heat. Because heat is evolving in this reaction. Heat is evolving in this reaction, therefore it is an exothermic reaction. And the enthalpy delta H for the reaction is negative. In this reaction we can see on going forward solubility is increasing, in going backward direction solubility is decreasing. Also in forward direction heat is evolved, while in backward direction heat is absorbed. Now, according to Lee-Chatter's principle, on increasing temperature, the equilibrium goes to the direction where heat is absorbed. Now, here heat is absorbed in backward direction. Therefore, equilibrium goes to the backward direction. That is, solubility decreases. Therefore, we can conclude if the dissolution process is an exothermic process, the solubility should decrease on rising the temperature. Now, effect of temperature on solubility of solids in liquid for endothermic reaction. Now consider an endothermic reaction solvent plus solute plus heat equilibrium solution. Because heat is absorbed in this reaction, therefore it is an endothermic reaction and the enthalpy of the reaction is positive. On going forward solubility is increasing, on going backward solubility is decreasing. Also on going forward heat is absorbed, in forward direction heat is absorbing, while in backward direction heat is evolving. Now, according to Lee-Chatter's principle, on increasing temperature the equilibrium goes to the direction where heat is absorbed. Here heat is absorbed in forward direction, therefore equilibrium goes to forward direction, that is solubility increases. Thus we can conclude if the dissolution process is an endothermic process, the solubility should increase on rising the temperature. Now, we can conclude today's topic topic was effect of temperature on solubility of a solid in liquid. For a nearly saturated solution, if the dissolution process is exothermic, then on increasing the temperature, the solubility will increase. If the dissolution process is endothermic, then on increasing the temperature, solubility decreases. That's all for today's. Thank you.